achievements of these exceptional individuals serve as a reminder that with determination, perseverance, and passion for excellence, anything is possible. Thank you all.
Good morning, sir.
So let's hear about a new person today who is related to music. His name is Tansin. Has anybody heard about Tansin? Yes?
World famous karate champ?
No?
Is it the guy who created a world record of eating 100 bananas at one go?
No. Could you give it another shot?
Oh wait, I know who he is. He played James Bond in a Japanese film.
No, child. It's high time you all should know the wealth, pride and history of our India. So Tansen is one of the most famous musicians of India. Are you ready to know about him?
Yes, sir.
As Tansin grew up, his father hired teachers to teach him read and write. Tansin, however, was more interested in going to the nearby forest where he would imitate the sound of birds and animals. एक बार एक पंडित अपने शिष्यों के साथ एक जंगल से गुजर रहे थे और तानसेन झाड़ियों में छिप गए और एक जानवर की आवाज निकालने लगे. Can you guess which animal it was? Lion, cheetah, horse, tiger. Exactly. So the sound made the singers frightened. As the boy showed himself, the leader of the group praised his tiger-like roar. The leader was none other than the famous music teacher Haridas. And from there on, Haridas offered to take Tansen as his disciple. बच्चों, आपको पता है, आगे चलकर तानसेन अकबर के दरबार में एक दरबारी बने. वे 9 रत्नों में से एक थे, इसलिए अन्य दरबारी उनसे ईर्ष्या करते थे. उन्होंने अकबर को तानसेन की दीपक राग गायन प्रतिभा के बारे में बताया कि कैसे उन्होंने इस राग की मदद से दिए जलाए थे. Akbar ordered Tansen to sing Deepak Rag. Unfortunately, Tansen could not disobey the king. But he had an idea that he would teach his daughter named Saraswati the Megh Malhar, the Rag of Rain. तो पिता को अग्नि से बचाने के लिए सरस्वती ने मेघ मल्हार गाया. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So let's do a quick revision. Mian Tansen, born as Ramtanu Mishra, was a prominent Indian classical music composer, musician and vocalist, known for a large number of compositions, and also an instrumentalist who popularized and improved the plucked rabab.
Sir, if I also practice make Malayan and sing it to perfection, can I also bring about rains?
You will definitely end up making a lot of people happy, but if you can sing well. But I'm not too sure about bringing the rains a bit.
Maybe I should just stick to listening to music, the only thing I do the best.
Shh. It's alright to ask questions. We must never be afraid to speak our minds.
I wonder if it's even possible to start a rain with Deepak Rag or it's just a myth. You need to be a superhero to do something like that. Guys, maybe the next time we go camping, we can try singing the Deepak Rag to start a bonfire.
What happened, Geet? What are you dreaming of? Do you feel the chapter is boring?
No, sir, not at all. The chapter is very interesting. I wish I could hear the Deepak Rag and Megh Malhar.
Guess what? I'll let you catch a glimpse of singers' unparalleled talent.
Wow, I got goosebumps while hearing the story from the teacher. Our Indians have so much talent, but we just need to know about them. ये बात बिल्कुल सही कही तुमने. हमारी भारत की संस्कृति बहुत ही बेहतरीन है. तो अब चले देखते हैं ग्रेड 4A के बच्चे दीपक राग कैसे प्रस्तुत करते हैं.
Dear audience, we have our esteemed guest, Miss Chaya Tucker, Vice Principal of DAV School, Gandhidham, and Miss Sweetie Molchandani, Coordinator of DAV School, Gandhidham. We cordially invite you to this annual function. I request Miss Gayatri Bhushan to please felicitate our guests with small token of love. Please audience give a huge round of applause